Hello, welcome to Poly English. My name is Teacher Jackie. What's your name? Oh, Chloe. Nice to meet you, Chloe. Okay, can you say my name is Chloe? Very good. That's great. So, Chloe, are you ready for our lesson today? Yes, great. Now, look at the picture, Chloe. Yes, we need to look at the picture. Hmm, what animal can you see? Hmm, okay, that's right. It's a bird. Do you know what bird is this? Hmm, no. So let's say this bird is an owl. Again, owl. Okay, that's great, Chloe. So from this picture, can you circle? Can you circle the owl, Chloe? Hmm. Okay. Again, you in circle. Okay. Oh, that's great. So, good job, Chloe. That is an owl. So today we are going to learn, can only birds fly? Hmm. Can you say it again? Okay. One more time. Can only birds fly? Yay! Perfect. That's right. Let's move on to the next page. So we are in the next page. So look at the picture, Chloe. Look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? Hmm? Okay. You can see many animals. Can you now circle the animal that you know? Yes, circle. Okay. Hmm. Oh, okay. So, what is that animal, Chloe? Okay, that's a monkey. Right. What else? Please encircle. Oh, amazing. What's the next animal, Chloe? Okay, it says meow meow. So, again, that is a. Okay, that is a cat. Good job. How about this big animal, Chloe? This big animal. Okay, okay, that is an elephant. Okay. How about this one? What do you think is the name of this animal with a long, long neck? G? Okay, right, that is a giraffe. Okay, great job for today. How about the other animals? What else do you know? Mm-hmm. Okay, so this one is a dog. And again, this is a penguin and Okay, the one in the tree. Okay, the one in the tree. That is a bird. Perfect. To give you a perfect lap, let me introduce you, Pikachu and Rayman. So, you have the Rayman and Pikachu. Let's clap. One, two, three. Perfect. One, two, three. Perfect, Chloe. Good job. Okay. Now, let's. Okay. What's your favorite animal, Chloe? All right. Your favorite animal is a cat. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, let's proceed to the next page, Chloe. All right, so we are in the next page. Okay, so we have, let's look and say. Let's look and say. So listen to teacher Chloe, okay? And then follow what teacher says. All right. Great. Okay. So, okay. Let us, okay, say this phrase. Okay. Hi there. Are you a bird? Okay. Try, Chloe. Your turn. Okay, perfect. Okay. How about this one? Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. Okay, your turn, Chloe. Okay, okay. So, one more time, Chloe. Again, my teacher will say, and you follow, okay? Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. Perfect. Okay, that's perfect, Chloe. Okay, all right. So, how about this one? Okay, did you say with S for owls? This one? Did you say with S? Okay, again, that's owls, correct. So let's move to the next page. Again, Chloe, what kind of bird is this? Hmm. Okay, yes, that is an owl. Okay, how many owl did you see? Hmm. From this picture. Okay. Yes, there's only one owl. Okay. Let's say again, owl. Perfect. So let's proceed to the next page. Oh, what about this page? Look at the picture. How many owls can you see? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, great. So from this picture, we have two owls. Can you now count it? Okay, okay, try. Okay, this is, okay, one. Okay, so two. So we have two owls. Okay, perfect. Can you say, I can see two owls? Okay, very good. Remember, hmm, always remember, if it is one, okay, that is owl. And if it is two or more, we'll say owls with letter S. Two or more, okay? Okay, great to hear that. All right, let's have another picture. Look at the picture. How many owls can you see? Hmm? Okay, so let's have, please count with me. All right, let's count. Okay, we have one, two. Okay, yes, this is three. How about the last one? Okay, great. That is. Okay, that's number four. So we have how many owls again? Okay, it's four owls. Great. Okay, so good job for that. Okay, so we have owls or birds. Okay, can you read it again, Chloe? Repeat after me again. Owls or birds. Okay, again with letter. Okay, with letter S. Okay, very good. Okay, that's right. Okay, so can you now track which wing is for the owl, Chloe, to complete? Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay, slowly. You drag. Which of the following? Which do you want to be the wings of our owl? Okay, great job, Chloe. Great job. That's perfect. Okay. Can you now drag to complete? Okay. Very good. Okay. Can we now read this one? Owls have got wings. Your turn. Okay. One more. That is perfect, Chloe. Okay. Do you have wings, Chloe? No. So we don't have wings. Good job. Let's move on to. Okay, here we need to watch and say. Okay, so I'll play the video and you watch the video, Chloe, about can owls fly? Hmm. Okay, right. So, what do you think, Chloe? Can owls fly? Yes, absolutely correct. Owls can fly. So let's read this one. Owls can fly. Okay, great job. Okay, that's great. So these birds can fly. Okay, so now we're done. Let us now look and read. We're going to read. Okay, so let's look. We have how many owls, Chloe? Perfect. We have three owls. So let's read. Owls are birds. Okay, owls are birds, correct? How about owls have got wings? Okay, okay, right. And the last one is owls can fly. Okay, all right, we have, okay, owls can fly. So we'll read it correctly. And you're great for today, Chloe. Just need more practice on reading, okay? Okay, that's right. Okay, that's good. So thank you so much for today's lesson, Chloe. Okay, we're done for today and thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.